Okay. This is a next Jamaican recipe. This one is to teach you how to make Jamaican sorrel. Yeah, this is sorrel. Sorrel is from around the world, but this sorrel here is grown and from Jamaica. So I call it Jamaican sorrel. So Jamaican sorrel is a traditional drink, mainly in Christmas, but can get right through the year. But it's a very traditional drink. Families and friends look forward in Christmas. Alright, so this is the sorrel itself, and over here we have ginger. Whenever time you hear about sorrel, there is ginger close by. So we all know ginger. Ginger is all around the world. This is ginger, and then this is, we cut and crush the ginger to get the flavor from it to make the sorrel. So this is a sorrel fruit or flower, whatever it be. So we gotta show you today how to make sorrel drink. Alright, to make sorrel drink, it's very simple and easy. First, you wash the sorrel, wash the ginger, get it clean. So in this base here now, it's the sorrel and the ginger wash. And you remember that ginger that cut and crush is in it as well. Alright, right here we have boiling water. So we put on the stove. We try to make the video short and spicy. So this jug here, it's boiling water. So we gotta pour the boiling water on the sorrel. Yes, so we pour the boiling water on the sorrel. Yes, see it? Steam, hot water. Alright, so that's it. So we put the boiling water to the sorrel. So what's the process we'll be taking here is extracting the flavor from the sorrel. So we will cover this up for an hour or two, or you just cover it up and leave it, and later you can get back to it. So that's all you need to do. Throw boiling water on it, cover it down, it extract the flavor, and I will get back to you and show you what the color will be like in an hour or two from now. Yes, sorrel drink ready. Alright, do you remember the sorrel and the ginger? We throw the hot water. So this is after 2-3 hours or whatever you can make it stay. There is no limit. Well, they must go over 2 hours, but not less. So this is the color, the water color change. So this is the color of sorrel. So we will strain the sorrel into this container. Yeah, so you must strain. So let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. So when we extract the sorrel, this is the color you get, red, looking like red wine. Yes, that's it. So now it is ready. So you got to sweeten it. So we use sugar. Other people might want to use other sweetener, but our traditional is sugar. You know, I'm Jamaican, so we use the sugar. I don't know about any other sweetener, but other people use other sweetener. So you sweeten to your like, and that's it. That's sorrel drink, Jamaican sorrel drink, traditional Christmas drink. Yeah, and some people do add Jamaican white rum. You know, the rum kind of give it a different flavor. Some people don't drink alcohol, so they will just drink it like this. So there is no rule, but that's it. Jamaican sorrel recipe, easy, very, very easy. Just follow these steps. And do remember, don't put your sorrel, throw your sorrel in the pot and put it to boil. The flavor will change. It will change different. For me, it's insipid. It's not. It don't taste authentic. It don't taste real. It tastes insipid.
Do remember to feel free to ask any question about this recipe. And
don't boil it.
Give us a like, subscribe, share,
like and subscribe.
write a comment.